Taking a look at this fixed blade knife from Civivi called the Timberbark. They come in a bunch of different colors. This one, however, is in the orange. Got a tip guard on there. What a really nice looking knife. We've got these G10 handles. We've got the full tang construction. Great looking blade shape. I really like this accent of the jimping way up front there on the top of the blade. This one is a great size. Great for carving. Great for doing camp craft. Comes with a nice scabbard that's Kydex with a multi-clip on the back. Comes along with a sticker with a knife. The Civivi logo sticker. Has a warranty card and a catalog as well as a microfiber cloth. And just a great looking knife. Thin, well balanced. Got a lanyard with a tie on it. That's quite a bit of 550 cord there, gutted. Looks cool. Going to be a great companion knife. Hope this helps.